Hi guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to trim and cut video. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So here you can see that I already selected our video in Premiere Pro. So how you can trim and cut. So the first step I'm going to show you how to trim video without any shortcut. So here you can see that click on the V, so selection tool you can select from here also, and here you can see that this is the mouse cursor. You simply need to hold that and you can see that you can do that at the end as well. So you can see that how simply I trim a video. But let me show you. If you want to trim and you want to fill a space, you simply need to hold control on the mouse, and here you can see that now this option is this, see that it is in yellow color. Now you can see that, and you can do that at the end as well. So here you can see that. So this is a process how you can trim a video, but how you can cut. So let me show you. The first step, you simply need to, you can select the razor tool or you can click on the C from your keyboard. So now you can cut a video from different parts like this. And if you want to remove any part, you simply need to click on, then you need to click on V to change that, and select any clip part and click on delete. So you can see that the parts are deleted now. But let me show you. If you want to delete and if you want there is no space in both these videos, you simply need to, so let me show you. So I want to delete this part, but I want my both videos to be joined together automatically. You simply need to hold the shift and then you need to click on the delete. So here you can see that, hold the shift and then click on delete. So this is our process by which you can trim and cut video in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.